It's December 8th, 2024. I suppose this video isn't going to be anything special, so I won't make it too long, but I'm upstairs dusting and cleaning and rearranging my bedroom, and realize I really haven't had a video of this in a while. This was always the largest room upstairs, although there had been a closet here that I took out when I demolished it couple years ago, and I knew it was going to be my master bedroom. And it's well insulated. All the windows in here are new. And I had been basically sleeping up here with just the electric blanket for heat because I had taken out the forced hot air heating ducts when I did the demolition. But this past week I decided I needed to get on the stick and stabilize the heating situation because I seem more sensitive to the cold, and the electric blanket just wasn't cutting it. Then I figured I'd rearrange a few other things. So in no particular order, I've had this bicycle-like exercise device in the secret room, and I decided I'd move it here. I'm more likely to use it, so I have this here now. We'll see how I do. Next is, might as well go straight to the heating element. I bought an 8-foot piece of electric baseboard and put it in under the double windows, and actually it's amazing how much better it is here. It was waking up to like 50-degree temperatures in the morning and didn't want to get out of bed. Now I just only turn it on at night, but it heats the joint. Now that statue is Buddha, undergoing parinirvana. It's called the sleeping Buddha when you see a Buddha in that position, but in fact it's the near-death Buddha contemplating future lives or immortality, or not having a future life once you achieve perfect Dharma. And so I happen to have that. It's a long story. During the Nepal earthquake of 2015, this particular one was in the National Museum. When the power went out, despite the aftershocks, I snuck in there and I took it. Managed to smuggle it out of the country. And here it is. They'll never know. I won't tell them, will you? But it's a beautiful cast piece. And that's it. That thing he's wearing on his head, there's a legend about how he had snails sucking the juice off of his long hair, and there are 108 of them, which is an auspicious number, of course. Then I've got this is the Uncle Joe chair, and that's the Bapchu Nimzura Canadian rocker chair. In summer I can bird watch out this window, and it's surprisingly the amount of bird life we've had. Before they cut down the maple trees in front of my neighbors, I had a pair of pileated woodpeckers that would spend quite a bit of their day over there, but there's a lot of bird life in that little nondescript area. And who'd have thunk it? We're actually, downtown Thorndike is the most densely populated part of the town, but still in all, we're on the edge of a large piece of primeval forest. And in summertime at night, if I have the glass window open, a lot of times I can hear owls calling. Not so much this time of year. But what else is there? I've got a humidifier up here, and then looking out the window, I get a view of the infamous seasonal stream that I've done so many videos of. And that's it. And then looking back toward the bed, of course, This is over the bed hangs one of my pieces of artwork that I actually bought this in Tampa, Florida for like $20. But in fact, it was I bought it at a furniture supply store that sold used office equipment. And the story that I had was there was a bank there that primarily serviced Hindu residents of that part of Tampa, and they were renovating, and so they discarded this along with getting new furniture. Well, near as I can tell, this is not a print. This is a bona fide hand-drawn painting in the Mughal style. And if you were to try to purchase one of these in Rajasthan, probably from Udaipur, which is one of the centers of this, this would cost a pile of dough even before you tried to pay the expense of shipping it out of the country. And I like the theme because it's elephants, of course. And who doesn't like an elephant? And basically, yeah, and someone told me they think that's actually gold leaf on the frame. I don't really know. But then that's kind of the view of it. Catch you later.